Alright, here we go, picking up from where we left off. So I'll kind of go forward one step at a time, and we'll just kind of keep on peeking. You'll start seeing them. Whoa, look at that! Right out of here. See all the little bright ones? Boom. They're a little bit brighter inside that field. Those are impulse. It's like an impulse engine. Boom, 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 boom. In fact, actually, our government has a plane right now that runs on this very thing. I think it's called it's either an impulse or a pulse or something pulsive drive, where it actually instead of going like our normal jets, like an F-16 or the Falcon, where it's continuous drive, it's actually a pulse, and it goes doom doom doom. It goes boom 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 boom, and that's how it actually speeds up is from these little impulse pops like that, which actually increases the speed. And it's called the Aurora. Yes, I know about it, government. Haha. So anyway, we'll just kind of keep on going. But I don't know if anybody's actually taking a peek at the sun at all, especially on the right side of it. But you notice it's very, very round right here. It's very interesting. But we'll just kind of keep on rolling with it. Just move a little bit quicker. Whoa, there's another one. And if you zoom, and folks, honestly, go to Soho movie theater. Go in there and put this in. Zoom in on this, whether it's on your phone or on your computer. Just zoom in, take a screenshot, zoom in. You will see little pow, 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 pow. You'll see those impulses that I'm telling you about. This is what's really going on, folks. I'm not one to hide things or pull punches, and I know some other people on channels. They're some of them are monetized. They've got way more subscribers than I do. Good for them. They're monetized. I'm not, and don't get me wrong, I follow some of them, and in fact, there's a couple of them that I'm actually good friends with. I stay in communication with. I've talked with them on the phone, through email, and I've done interviews on their channels. I mean, I love everybody. I have no issues with it. Look at this, boom, 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 boom. Oh, I love it. So we're gonna kind of skip through here a little bit. Oh, look at that! There's another one. He's pretty close, isn't he? That was more like a cigar one. Yeah, I like that one there. Kind of like a cigar. Very interesting. It's long. But we're going to kind of move now. See, now we're into today. All right. And we're going to get into my favorite pick. Oh, look at this. Here's your little pyramid here. Almost like he was the fourth one of a box, then he just decided to scoot off and break rank or something. Ooh, but the captain's not too happy. Now, believe it or not, I've actually got one coming up here, and it's literally coming right through the side of the sun right here. His impulse engine, or warp signature trail, whatever you want to call the thing, coming right through it, and it's like, wow. And again, you can see the body. Oh, look at that. Here we go. Here's another one. Look at pop, pop. This little lights. Boom, boom, boom. There it's going. But wait till we get to the good one. Actually, you know what? I'm wondering if I even passed it. I don't think I did. If I did, we're getting. No, I don't think I did. Sorry, I've done a whole bunch of stuff since I first seen it. But keep looking, everybody, and you'll see her here before too long. I mean, it's going down. I mean, look at all this. Stuff is going down up there. I mean, I've been showing you guys. Oh, there he is. Look at that. I'll actually zoom in on this baby for you. A little more, and let's bring her up here. How you doing? Okay. Body, wings, and you can clearly see the propulsion coming out from behind him. Clearly. Now, other planets that we have, like if it's Mercury, okay, then why isn't the whole planet just beaded up like this, and why is it showing this little wings? I mean, I've shown you guys that enough times, and it looks like there was almost a collision right here, like one was going this way, or actually I'll bet you he's down here because it's going through this, we can't see him, and then this guy's coming out very clearly. Oh, I love it. And believe it or not, folks, someone actually has a video of my little buddy I'm calling him my little buddy on video right here on the planet. And I'm gonna show him to you. I actually saw this on another video right on YouTube, and I'm like, as soon as I saw it, I'm like, oh my gosh, there it is. That's what I've been looking at the whole time. And I'm gonna show you guys here in a little bit. Now, I can't share it with you, like who it is that I got the video from, because I haven't spoken with them about it yet. And I'm going to speak to them and let them know what I'm viewing over here, and hopefully I'll be able to have some kind of contact with them, and we'll be able to actually make some connections and start putting some more pieces together, pieces of the pie or the puzzle, if you will. Oh look, here's another one. Wings that way, and then wing out the back. So, you guys ready for the big reveal? You guys ready to see what it actually looks like if it's on Earth and we see it? Here we go. Right there. There it is. Now, you look at this and you go, oh, that's a bird, right? That's what you're thinking? It's a bird? Why are there lights? Why are there lights? And flashings, like, why? What is that? Huh? Look at that. Wings and a tail. I love it. But those are my little buddies. And yeah, it does. It looks like a bird, but it's not a bird. Because the little other thing that you just saw was an actual bird. If it's a bird, see that? It was flying across. The wings were flapping. This ain't flapping. Look at that. I've never seen no bird wings do that. Look at that. How you doing? How you doing? That's right. So, now that everybody's kind of got the right idea on it, I'm hoping that everybody's can actually start taking this a little bit serious. Please, folks, hit the like button, subscribe, share it with your friends. Let them see this. I mean, this is, let them know, hey, this guy's actually showing this stuff over on his channel. He's, out in space, and there's a freaking Star Wars going on, a battle going on, and I've got it all in, unfortunately, it's not in, color like we see here, like what it really looks like, but we can see the reflections of light, we can see the bodies, we can see, unfortunately, it's all pixelated, but I've got them. Send them here. Let them know the truth. The truth is important. Honestly, we have to start learning and realizing that this isn't about us. Like, oh, well, someone might think that I'm retarded or someone could think I'm crazy. So what? Let them think that. Because are you? No. You just happen to know the truth and they don't. Anytime that anyone learns the truth about something, that person's always crazy until they're right. And then all of a sudden, oh my gosh, he's a prophet. How did you know? Because I do research. Be crazy. Let them think you're crazy for a minute, and then show them. Say, look what I'm seeing here. Do you see the same thing? Because this is what I see, and there's other people seeing this. This guy has found this. And yes, people think that I'm crazy. People, some people think, oh, okay, you're nuts, and I'm like, no, I'm really not. I'm just not staring at my phone. I'm just not thinking, keeping my head down, looking, scared about some virus, watching the TV, listening to their bullcrap. I've been watching the stars ever since I was 8 years old. Halley's Comet is actually what got me started. I was a kid in Dallas, Texas, and ever since then I've been looking up the stars. I've had telescopes, binoculars, all that, and I've always enjoyed watching. Guess what? People that do that on a regular, we're the ones that are seeing it because we're the ones that are looking. Okay? For the rest of you, you're the ones that are nuts that aren't looking. Come on. And that's the way that you explain it to them. Like, hey, you're the one not looking. So if everyone else that looks at this thing, that looks up and starts paying attention, we're the ones seeing it. You're not. Who's the blind one? Really? Huh? Makes sense now? I actually missed this one earlier, folks. Look at him right here. He is close to the sun. Like, you can't even really see his body. You can see that it's there. And you can see that he's going this direction, but, he is really close to the sun. God, what are they made out of? To be that close to the sun, and I don't care how fast you're going, that's freaking hot. How are they not burning up? You know what I'm saying? How? I don't get it. So, I don't know. Let's see if I can find it. I think I did see another one, so I'm see if I can find another one here. Okay, I didn't really see any that I didn't cover in my previous video, but I want everybody to just kind of watch this, okay? And watch in complete darkness. And I know this sounds kind of crazy, but you see more lights that way. Go in complete darkness. You know, bathroom, close the door, turn off your lights, and then watch the video. Hopefully not on your phone. Hopefully you have like a laptop or something. You can see it a lot better. But when you do that, you'll actually be able to see, like, you see the one over here? Zoop! You'll actually start seeing when one comes up here. You'll actually be able to see a whole lot better what's going on. And I'm not gonna lie, if you look right down here in the center, it almost looks like there's a line right here. Right here. Doesn't it? Right there. It's like there's a little line. It's right there. And it almost looks like there's like something right here. It's weird. Almost like they're covering it. Like, you see that line right there? There's a line there. Almost like, and then here. I don't know if I'm seeing things, but I'm in complete darkness and I can see this a lot different now. It's like there's a perfect, and I mean a perfectly straight, tight line right there and there. It's like they're covering something up. Not sure yet, but like here, it's like it's one color on this side and then it's a little bit darker over on this side. Do you see what I'm saying right down here? It's like there's a line right here, and the line doesn't move. It's kind of annoying. But let's go check out some other color extremes and see what we can do with it here. This one's beautiful. Watch this. Over here, you're gonna see a boop, boop. See that? Is a different color angstrom of light. Of course, I can't see it now because my little bottom bar, I don't know how to make that thing just literally go away. It's really quite annoying. Actually, let me hit pause real quick and then hit play. Okay. We are at 335 angstroms. Okay. So I'm actually gonna go back to the beginning of this. I'll actually go to the back to the beginning of it, and I'm actually going to look for each individual one, and then I'll hit pause and I'll let you guys know how many. And actually, on this one, it looks like there's quite a few. So let's give her a check-see. There's our first little buddy of the day. Now, you see what I was talking about when I was telling you guys about the edge that's over here on some of them? You know, you can see the lines coming down. Yeah, I know that they're there, and that's why I don't ever mention anything that's along the side. But this one here, oh no, gosh dang it. Urgh. But with this color here, the way that it is, you can actually see the edge itself very clearly without any assistance. Now let's see if I can get this doggone thing to go back. But there's actually another one right after it, so I'm like, oh no. This is quite annoying. I'll get to it here in just a second. Right, player number 2. So that's 2 down. Yippee-ki-yay. See if we can get another one. Just to let you guys know what kind of painstaking process I have to go through with this to try and find some of this stuff. I want to show you this. Like, they're literally watching me full time because I know they're here. And this was actually a different quality of picture earlier. This is much more definition. And while I was doing this, okay, watch what I gotta do. I'll bring it here, and then I have to move my fingers a little bit like this, little by little, to try and get the different frames. See how it does that? So that way I can actually get into picture some of these the ships and stuff that's going on. Because I mean, it's there, and these take like 12-minute pictures, and they'll move it up and speed it down in the picture as you're watching it. So that way it's harder for you to do it. Now, I was just doing this. I kid you not. I spent 15 minutes doing this right here. And as I was doing this, the finger doesn't go up or down. It stays right here. All of a sudden, boom, they kicked me off the screen and lowered the quality. I mean, literally, they took me back to this. And I wasn't even touching that button. So yeah, not happy. Might have to do another doggone video. Believe it or not, folks, I was over here looking at this one and this one and seeing for things going up and down. And out of the corner of my eye, because you can see the two going bloop, and then another one goes bloop over here. See, there's 2 of them. So I was over here watching. There's actually one over here that shoots down too. If you actually watch over here, you'll see it. It's pretty neat. It's like, oh, because I mean they do go both ways. I'm gonna have them going up and down and left and right. But out of the corner of my eye, I saw this guy. I'm like, what? Dead honest, folks. I've never. Oh, god dang it, my screen ain't right. But I've never seen one on this one here ever. That's the first one I've ever seen. So let's see if I can move this up and get you guys a look at it. There she is. Lovely. Folks, have a good weekend. I'll try and do another one tonight if we have any major activity, any CMEs or flares. I think we're going to, from what it looked like. So stay tuned.